1985 C-plate Ford Escort 1.3 GL. Mum's car. Here tonight. And now this guy is an entertainer beyond compare. Amazing fella. He's prepared, he's ready. And it runs too. Radio cassette in there. Hazard warning lights are on. And this is Dibbs with his headlights. He's on his way. Now this fella has done it all before and then some. Is he going to be good tonight? Is he going to be great? Is he going to be brilliant? Complete with two-tone horns. Get ready to make some noise for this entertainer. Dibbs, Mum, look away now. It's your car. Oh, wonderful. It's still running. The horn is still going. Give him a huge cheer. This is Dibbs, ladies and gentlemen. The hazard warning lights are still on. Everything is functioning normally apart from the... Perhaps one would question the intelligence of the driver. But he's a lovely guy, and didn't he do well? Look at it! Not even a puff of smoke from this fine piece of machinery. Well done, Dibbs. He's away again. Oh, marvellous. Left his exhaust pipe on the centre green. Don't worry, he'll be invoiced for that later. Oh, the guy's incredible. And we're just going to see if anyone else wants to have another go. Meantime, we'll have a quick word with Dibbs. He's an amazing fella. Look at him. Dibbs, do us a favour. Just jump on the roof of your car, because everyone here at Yarmouth Stadium will applaud you because you're just a comedian. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dibbs. He's a nutter. Now, what about this? Your blasted exhaust pipe has come off. Never mind, he says. You'll have that fitted, won't you? Not a problem at all. Well done, Dibbs. Now, does your mum know anything about her car being used in this way?
No, not at all.
OK, do keep it quiet if you happen to be sitting next door to Dibbs's mum. Thank you so much. OK, our racing manager is just over there. You may think that he's